Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and happy new year guys. I pray for a wonderful and a successful new year to all of us, and I pray that we achieve all the good things that we set our minds on in this year coming. Amen. Thanks for joining me for my CVS haul video, and I'll keep this video short and simple, and I hope you find this very helpful. The first deal I have here will be on Oral-B and Crest products. They're on sale for $3.99, and when you buy 3, you get $5 extra care box back. I'll pick up 2 of the Oral-B toothbrush, and we have a $2 digital coupon that will apply to it, and I'll add 1 of the toothpaste on sale for $3.99. These 3 items are going to total $11.97, and for the toothpaste we also have a $2 digital coupon that will attach to it. With the 2 coupons, it's going to drop it down to $7.97. I'll pay that and get $5 back, making the 3 items just $2.97 or 99 cents each. I have a 10 off 70 next purchase CRT that will add to this transaction. The next deal I have will be on Maybelline Cosmetics. They're on the deal of buy 2 get $5 extra care box back, and I'll pick up 2 of the baby lips priced at $4.99 each. These 2 items are going to total $9.98, and today we received a $3 mystery offer that will drop it down to $6.98. I'll pay the $6.98 and get $5 extra care box back, making both items $1.98 or 99 cents each. The next deal I have is spend 12 get $4 back on any Almay Cosmetics, and I'll pick up the Almay concealer priced at $11.99. That's within the 98% rule, and I'm using the $4 mystery offer we got last week, which will drop it down to $7.99. I'll pay that and get $4 extra care box back, and I'll submit my receipt to iBorder for $4 back for buying the face product. That will end up making this item free. The next deal I have will be the spend 30 get $10 back. I posted a video earlier on that showed 5 ways to do this deal, and this one is not part of the deals I showed, so you might want to check out that video to see if you can find something that will work out for you. I'll pick up the Charmin Ultra Soft, the 6 mega roll on sale for $8.99, and the Downy Unstoppable, the 7.8 ounces on sale for $6.99. To complete this deal, I will pick up 2 of the Herbal Essence. They're on sale for 2 for $14, and the total for all these 4 items will be $29.98. That's within the 98% rule. I went on P&G website and I printed out this 4 off 2 coupon for the Herbal Essence, and we have a matching digital coupon that will double dip and take off $8. For the Unstoppable, we have a $2 digital coupon, and for the Charmin, we have a $1 digital coupon that will also apply. With these coupons, it's going to drop it down to $18.98. I'll pay that and get $10 back, making all 4 of them just $8.98 or $2.25 each. This last item I have here is not giving back any extra care box. It's just a filler item. That way I can use my spend 70 get $10 off, and it will be on the Sally Hansen nail polish. It's originally priced at $7.99. And because this one have a 40% off sticker, it's going to drop it down to $4.79. And I'll use the $4 instant CRT we received last week for CoverGirl or Sally Hansen, and that will leave me to pay just 79 cents for this item. And this will be everything I'll be picking up with my 10 off 70 next purchase CRT. I'm gonna go check out, and hopefully everything will work out. Let's go over my receipt and see how everything worked out. And these are all the items I picked up. Let's look at the coupon section. Every coupon I showed you guys applied. The Herbal Essence coupon double dipped with the digital one. The Crest coupon came off, and also the Oral-B came off as well. All my instant CRT came off, and on the 10 off 70 next purchase CRT, I ended up using $30 extra care box, paid $2.71 out of pocket, and I got back $10 for the spend 30 get $10 back, and a $5 for buying 3 of the Crest product, and another $5 for buying 2 of the Maybelline, and also the $4 for spending 12 on Almay Cosmetics. I submitted my receipt to iBorder, and I got back $4 for buying the Almay face product. After the rebate, This whole transaction ended up costing me just $4.71 or 43 cents each. I forgot to mention that for the Almay product, it's no longer showing on the regular section. So if you added it to your account, go under the list because that's where mine is. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching and thank you all for your support. And I'll talk to you all next time.